So thank you all the panelists, and also thank you to John for delivering such a fantastic lecture. And really doesn't happen too often in Hong Kong that we've got a Nobel laureate here and 3 active fellows of the Royal Society. It's really a great pleasure to have you all here in Hong Kong today. And maybe I'll take the liberty of asking the first question to John. It's a non-scientific one, and I know that we have here many parents, students, medical students, graduate students, and also high school students as well. John, I've learned that when you were in college as a teenager, you did not do so well in school, and a schoolmaster even made a remark that John's idea of becoming a scientist appeared to be quite ridiculous. So I'm curious whether you can share with us, how did that impact on your success? Did you actually thank the schoolmaster for providing you with a driving force or motivation?
Well, as you rightly say, the teacher was quite explicit and said there was no hope whatever of becoming a scientist, because I was in a class of 250 people, and I was the bottom place out of 250, so for science. And most of you are much too clever to have achieved that, even if you tried. But, so the view was that they would eliminate any science more for me. This was the age of 15, so I had to study ancient Greek, Latin, and a modern language, and that was the rest of my school career. And then my parents kindly saw that I was actually interested in science more than in Greek plays. And so I was enabled by them to get back into science and eventually have my career in science. And I think that would hardly be possible now, unfortunately. This was a time when these changes could be made, and I'm so grateful for that. So it would require a lot of effort now to make a switch at that time. So I think the conclusion is I happened to be born at a very fortunate time when this was possible. Unfortunately, it may not be now.